Welcome to Indaca Institute of Skills.
Next is ESA World Cover. ESA World Cover is a pioneering, free global land cover dataset created by the European Space Agency, providing detailed maps at 10-meter resolution for 2020 and 2021. Go to Explore. And further, you can see that you can also get Sentinel-1 and Sentinel-2 data of 2020 and 2021. You can explore anything as per your choice. But here I will show you how to download World Cover version 1 of 2021. At the right side, you can see the different classes of land use and land cover. Now next you have to go to Download option. And there at Extent option, you can draw your area of interest. Select Point of Interest and can also download by administrative borders. Now here I will create an area of interest and go to Next. And here you have to create an account, or if you already have an account, then you can log in and start extracting your dataset. Next, after logging in, you can go to Export option to export the land use land cover map. There, you can select the background layer, add legend, and can download it from Download button. Further, you can download the land use land cover as a raster dataset. For that, go to Download option. Further, you can download the land use land cover as a raster dataset. For that, go to Download option. And here you can the land use land cover map that was downloaded. Now select the first option and click the Download button, and your dataset will start downloading. Now I will extract the dataset and show you the land use land cover map on QGIS. After extracting the file, go to Layer, then add Raster Layer, and here select the folder. Open and add it. Now here you can see your land use land cover map. You can use it for land use land cover mapping purpose and for any other purpose also.
Follow and subscribe to Indaca Institute of Skills for daily powerful updates.